Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of your subtitles on the Netflix app on mobile. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to change our subtitle color on our Netflix app on mobile, it's really simple. First of all, just open the Netflix application. Now previously we had to do this from our browser, but now with the recent update, we don't need our browser to change the colors of our subtitles. So just open Netflix, don't log into your profile just yet. You can see this profile icons will be here. Once you are on the profile page on which it will ask you to log into a profile, you have to tap on the edit button on the top right hand side. Once you tap on the edit button, select a profile on which you want to change the subtitle color. Let me just select this one, and what you have to do is you will see these options, and what you want to do is, in order to change our subtitle color, just tap on the subtitle appearance over here. As you do so, you can see the option called text color. Currently it is set to white, so if you want to change it, you have red, you also have black, you also have blue, you have yellow, and many other colors to choose from. Once you have done so, just tap on the save button from the bottom, and that's all. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.